Welcome back to Jay's Jeep and Classic Car channel, the channel that provides video resources for your Jeep builds, your classic car builds, and your everyday driver maintenance. Go ahead, hit that subscribe and like button down below. I'll wait for you. Alright, great. I appreciate y'all taking care of that. So today we're going to backtrack a little bit. Since we had the engine out, I noticed that my transmission is leaking a little bit out of the front seal. We're going to replace that, just check on things in the transmission. We're going to first transfer all that fluid out of there, just kind of work on getting all that put back in shape. Figured, you know, now's the best time to do it since the engine's already out. We'll see how it goes. So join me in the adventure. Just so y'all kind of have an idea of what we're talking about, this is the transmission. The clutch, this is actually the throwout bearing right here. Behind this plate right here, there's a gasket, and I was having a leak down in here, so we're going to go ahead and replace all that, and replace that gasket and get her back all buttoned up again. Alright, so I'm kind of thinking here, I prefer not to take all this boot off and all. I'm thinking I might be able to take just these bolts out and take this whole thing out. That's what I'm going to try to do. It may not work for me, but that's what we're going to go with. So one thing for sure, I will have to take the shifter plate out for the transfer case. Alright, so we're trying to take this thing out, and while it's loose, I have to lift the whole thing out to get to this. So means I got to take the knob off at least. Alright, so I'll take this off. I think it's going to be easier to take this off rather than trying to battle that whole big assembly. So next up, we'll take this off and we'll be to the transmission. Hopefully I didn't scratch this up too bad. I guess I can touch them up a little bit. It'll bust if I need to. There it is out.
Well, that's the leak.
No, that's the shifter. Alright, so we're going to pump some of this fluid out of here, just so that when we take the seal out,
Okay.
we don't lose it all. Okay, so first thing we're going to do, what we can kind of see, is we're going to take this spring out right here.
Okay. Now just
Got it. That's good. You did bend it a little bit. Unfortunate, and we just dropped it. Alright, so next up we're going to take some of the tape off. Actually, we're just going to slide that right off like that. Then we're going to take Allen's for those and pull this whole thing forward. A little pipe on it. Very sweet of you.
I need to make one more of me. That's a big
seal of some sort. A couple seals. We don't want to take out the whole thing.
Yep.
Looks like the snap ring is in place. It's good. Looks like there's a smaller snap ring that
Yes.
broke, and that's what just fell out.
Really? That's not good, Daddy.
No, it's not at all. I really do appreciate y'all watching. Y'all take care. It's time for supper.